Your hunt to find the perfect stay in Manchester ends here with Oxney House Gardens. Nested in the cosmopolitan city center of Manchester, Oxney House Gardens offers elegantly furnished student accommodation featuring a cluster of shared and perfectly equipped ensuite student flats. The rooms here are stylishly furnished with a big comfy bed, wardrobes, high-speed Wi-Fi, a study area, and access to your own shower. Each shared flat comes with a modern, state-of-the-art, fully fitted kitchen along with a chic breakfast bar, while the shared living area has contemporary sofas around the TV, perfect for unwinding and socializing with your new neighbors. The property also features a beautiful garden area along with car parking and an on-site bike storage if you plan on bringing along either. At Oxney House Gardens, you will be living close to the city's favorite pubs, restaurants, and shopping destinations. So all you got to do is be dressed to the nines. The University of Manchester and Manchester Metropolitan University are within easy walking distance, helping you snooze off for a few extra minutes every morning. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity in Manchester. Connect with us at Amber to start your new chapter today.